Now, Wellness Wednesday on Fox 54 News, sponsored by Regenesis.
Tomorrow is Christmas Day, and while you're getting ready to spend time with your loved ones, doctors are warning about surging cases of influenza. According to the Alabama Department of Public Health, the number of emergency department visits across the state has grown. At the start of last month, 0.35% of emergency department visits related to influenza. However, that number has since risen to 6.26% of emergency department visits. Across the country, at least 1,900 people have died from the flu this season, including 3 children. And the CDC says 2 of those children died in just the last week. Jen Sullivan reports on the growing warning from doctors as millions of people get ready to gather for the holidays.
At the D.C. Public Health Lab, doctors are busy testing diseases that could become a public health concern.
The really only time that people see us is when there's a public health emergency.
Dr. Jocelyn Hauser is the director. She says doctors' offices and hospitals around the country send them swabs collected from patients.
We receive those samples and log them into our information system.
Those results are then sent to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. This year, the CDC is particularly concerned about growing cases of influenza. The latest data released Friday shows there have been at least 4.6 million flu cases so far this season, 49,000 hospitalizations, and 1,900 deaths in the U.S. alone. The dominant strain causing the surge in illnesses is subclade K, a mutation of influenza A.
We think that this clade K virus is evading population immunity, meaning more people are susceptible to infection.
While doctors in the CDC say the best protection is to get the flu vaccine, Johns Hopkins University professor Andrew Pekosh says this year the shot may not be enough.
It has mutations that may allow it to evade some, but not all, of the influenza vaccine-induced protection.
As millions of people prepare to travel and gather this week for the holidays, there's growing concern illnesses may spike, and cases are surging around the globe. Children, adults 65 and older, and those with underlying medical conditions are particularly vulnerable to the flu. Medical experts are urging everyone 6 months and older to get the flu vaccine. I'm Jen Sullivan reporting.
You can get your flu vaccine at various convenient locations, including local pharmacies, doctors' offices, urgent care centers, and public health departments. And if you want to see more Wellness Wednesday, you can check them out on Fox 54 Plus. Download on your TV, watch for free.